Welcome to Pure Chart Trading. Now listen closely. If you're looking for a video where some 20-year-old kid shows off how he makes thousands of dollars while flexing expensive cars, designer clothes, and a Dubai lifestyle, you won't find any of that nonsense on my channel. This channel is strictly for educational purposes, and there's no way I'm going to flex fake screenshots or a rented car here. If you get that and you aren't looking for some holy grail but actually want to learn something, then you're in the right place. Let's dive into our first trade example for today. First, I always look for a nice move and a structure break. If everything lines up, I mark it all out and wait for the price to return to my zone. Now the time has come where I can mark everything out and wait. If you've already seen one of my videos, do you remember exactly how I mark out my zone and what I wait for next? Exactly, you're right. I mark the zone based on the last opposite candle, which was followed by a nice price move. Price came into my zone for a retest and gave me a clear signal that it will likely bounce down. So, based on that nice red candle, I'm definitely entering the trade, but always after the candle closes. I'll set a 1% risk and a 2% reward as usual, and we'll see how it plays out. If you like this style of trading and want to learn all of it, I can make a 1-hour video breaking down the strategy in every single detail. Let me know in the comments below if you'd be interested in a 1-hour video like that. Would you like to trade exactly like this too? You can learn how to do it very easily by watching my videos. If you want, you can check out my older videos which I've organized into playlists based on the specific strategy you are looking for. I also drop 3 new videos every single week, on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, so make sure you don't miss them. Let's move on to the next 3 trades I have lined up for today, and we'll calculate all the results at the end of the video. I need to wait for a clear move that creates a structure break, and based on that, I'll know which direction I want to trade. Write in the comments what you think about this strategy or what time frame you trade. This time it took a bit longer, but don't forget that you need to be patient. Don't look for something in the chart that isn't actually there. Now we can mark the structure break, we can mark our zone as well, and then we just wait for the price to return to the zone for a retest. If the price gives us a confirmation too, I'll definitely jump into the trade. Trading isn't about using complicated things or some special indicators. The simpler you trade, the better off you'll be. Notice that as long as the price hasn't reached my zone, I do absolutely nothing, and I definitely don't enter a trade. You must always stick to your system, don't forget that. Now, this is the moment where I have clear proof that the price is trying to bounce and I can enter the trade. I do the exact same thing day in and day out. I'll set a 1% risk and a 2% reward, and we'll see how it plays out in a bit. Did you see that speed? I wish every single trade worked that fast, but unfortunately that's just not how it goes. A lot of times, the price jumps up and down, you're staring at the chart, and your mind starts telling you the market is doing it on purpose just because you opened a position. The reality of trading isn't winning 9 out of 10 trades, and if someone is showing you numbers like that, they're probably a scammer who wants to rip you off and take your hard-earned money. I have 2 trades behind me and 2 more to go, so let's get right into it, and we'll wrap up the total results at the end of the video. Drop me a comment down below and tell me exactly what I'm waiting for right now. I want to see that you've actually learned something from my videos. That's what makes it worth it for me, because this channel is strictly for educational purposes. If my video helps even just one of you guys, then I'll be happy. You can clearly see the overall uptrend and a nice impulse that created a structure break, so I have everything I need to mark out my zone and wait for the price to return for a clean confirmation. Now look at that detail on the chart. Is this a clear and solid enough confirmation to enter the trade? Yes, exactly. This is the kind of confirmation I always wait for before jumping into a trade. I'll set my risk to reward ratio at 1 to 2 and wait to see what results this trade brings. If you want to see more trades like this, I drop 3 videos every single week, so make sure you don't miss them. We got another 2%, and let me talk about this trade for a second. If you move your stop loss to break even too early, the market is going to knock you out of the trade at 0, and only then will it head in your direction. I have a strict rule where I only move my SL to break even once the price has traveled at least 75% of the way to my TP. Never move your SL earlier than that because the market moves in waves and a lot of times you'll just end up getting shaken out for no reason right before the price shoots toward your TP. I have one more trade example left, so let's go check it out and then we'll tally up all the results. Even for this last example, I'm going to wait for a clear move that creates a structure break. If you're liking my videos and want to see more, check out the playlists on my channel. I have them all organized based on the specific strategy you're looking for. If you drop a comment down below and it catches my eye, I'll definitely reply because I read all of your comments. Don't forget that I drop 3 new videos every single week, so if you want to learn how to trade exactly like I do, you have plenty of videos to learn from. We can see a nice move that created a clear structure break, and for me that means only one thing. I'm going to mark everything out and wait for the price to return to my zone, as well as for a clean confirmation. It's always the exact same process over and over again. To be honest with you, trading isn't exciting. It's actually pretty boring because you spend all your time just waiting for something to happen. We can see a nice confirmation, and for me that means I'm entering the trade. As always, I'll set my risk at 1% and my reward at 2% and wait to see how the trade plays out. Do you like trading this way and want to learn how to do it yourself? My channel is all about education, not the nonsense that doesn't belong in real trading. If you watch my videos regularly and pay attention to the details, I truly believe you'll pick this up very quickly and easily. Now let's tally up the results for today. I showed you 4 trade examples using the supply and demand strategy, and all 4 hit TP, which means today's profit is a total of 8% on our overall capital. Don't forget that my videos drop regularly 3 times a week, so make sure you don't miss them if you really want to master my strategy. Subscribe.